Question D requires us to identify the feature of the biophysical environment found at each of these grid references. Now, this question requires us to do three things. The first thing is that it requires an understanding of the biophysical environment. The biophysical environment, bio means life. So the biophysical environment is the natural environment, effectively. So the first thing is for us to understand that we're looking for a part of the natural environment. We need to be able to identify these grid references, and then we need to be able to use the legend to find out what the environment is, the natural environment feature is. With a grid reference, it's very similar to an area reference, except this time it has 6 numbers instead of 4, and it requires us to find a specific point in a square rather than the whole square. So if we have a look at our map, this question's asking us, if we look at the first one, we're looking for grid reference 069797. So if we have a little look at our map, the first thing that we need to do, the same with area reference, is we walk along the path first. We're always looking ahead when we're walking along the path, so we're looking at this column here from 6 to 7. Now, the grid reference in this reference is asking us to find 069. So if you can imagine, there's point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, all the way up to point 9 between these 2 points, 06 and 07. So point 9 is going to be right up close towards the 7. So it's going to be up here somewhere. So then we need to, just the same as we did with area reference, we're going to climb the tree. So when we climb the tree, we want 797. So we don't have to climb the tree very high, but we're always looking ahead, which means that we're looking between this point here at 79 and 80, 79 and 80. And it's asking us to find 797. So it's just a little bit past halfway between 79 and 80. So it's probably around about here. Now, just like we did with area reference, we need to bring the 2 points together, and where they intercept is the point that we're looking at. So if we draw this line, if we extend this line across here, and then we extend the line from the horizontal reference, we will see that they cross at that point there. So we're thinking, what natural part of the natural environment or the biophysical environment is at that reference? If we have a look, you can see there's a little triangle on our legend. Over here represents a survey landmark with height, so it's a mountain. So this is Big Smoky Mountain. So that is our answer for the first grid reference in D. I'll now let you find the other grid references in question D.